In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fix Shopify visual stability. If your Shopify store has images that shift around as the page loads, one common cause is inconsistent image sizing. A simple way to improve visual stability is to use a fixed image ratio in your theme settings. This helps your product cards and image sections load in a more uniform way, which creates a cleaner browsing experience for your visitors. To begin, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. From there, go to Online Store, then select Themes. On your current theme, click Customize. This will open the theme editor, where you can adjust how different parts of your storefront appear. Once you are inside the editor, look for the section related to your product grid or your image sections. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on your theme, but you are looking for the area that controls how product images or visual content blocks are displayed on the page. These sections are important because they often determine whether images load with consistent spacing or cause small layout jumps. After you have selected the product grid or image sections, find the setting labeled Image Ratio. This setting controls the shape that your images follow when they appear in the store layout. To improve visual stability, change this from a flexible or inconsistent option to a fixed setting. For example, you can choose Square or Portrait. A fixed ratio gives Shopify a predictable image container size, which helps reduce layout shifting while the page is loading. Square is often a good choice if you want a balanced and uniform look across product listings. Portrait can work well if your product photography is taller and you want to preserve that style consistently. The key is to choose one fixed ratio and keep it consistent in the section you are editing. Once you have updated the image ratio, click Save. This applies the change to your theme so the layout can display more consistently for your visitors. If you are trying to improve the overall feel of your storefront, this is a quick adjustment that can make a noticeable difference. Stable image sizing helps pages look more polished and can also improve the user experience, especially on collection pages where many images appear at once. That covers everything you need to know.